Hello everyone, welcome back again, and peace to all the Northeast people and peace from Africa, guys. Your African boy Gabs. So we do reaction, sometime vlogs in case I visit Northeast. So today we are reacting to a new, it's gonna be a cover song by the title Tuzunzamnge. Tuzunzamnge, guys. Sorry in case if I pronounce wrongly, and let me know what does it mean by Tuzunzamnge, guys. That is like Nanaua Hmar. That's the title of today music cover, Nanaua Hmar. It's not my first time to hear about Hmar. I think Hmar is like the people mostly living in Mizoram and also Manipur. Yeah, anyway, just peace to all the Northeast people, guys. So we're gonna sing this. I'm gonna sing, I'm gonna do my best. So don't forget subscribe, because this channel is for the Northeast people. And love you all, guys. Thanks for all the support and wish to see you all soon. Let's go. Nanaua Hmar. Start. Let's sing together, guys. Help me to sing together. I'm trying my best to sing for you guys. I see a lot of people love this song. Guys, I need you to tell me like who is the real singer for this song? Okay, guys. See, by the way, I think the one who is doing the cover here, the artist here, is he the one you call it Samson? Like, you know, from Mizoram, I know few artists like Tetea. Tetea is there. Yeah, we have Tetea and Laro Sanga, yeah, something like that. They are the biggest artists that I know. I usually used to react and get recommend about them to check their music. Yeah, Tetea, the Laro Sanga. Sorry in case if I pronounce him wrongly, but I know he's among the best artists there in Mizoram, guys. And the one I'm seeing here, I'm just guessing, maybe like Samson. I'm not sure. Tell me the singer who is singing this song, doing this cover. And I also want to know who is the original singer of this music, because this music seems to be loved by a lot of the citizens of Northeast, or let's say Mizoram people and Hmar people. Yeah, it seemed like, but the subtitle was in the local language, not in English. I just need you guys, okay, to make me feel this music a little bit by telling me like briefly what is this song like saying about. I really love it. Like, I see a lot of people so happy to be part of this song. Like, it has been loved in so many different public places. Anyway, it was suggested to check it out, guys. So peace out, love you all, Hmar people, Mizoram, Kuki people. Yeah, love from Africa. Subscribe to this channel. This channel is for reaction video, guys. In case you want to watch my vlog, you can also subscribe to Gabs TV. This is where I post my vlog. And yeah, I have been to Northeast, I've been to Shillong, I've been to, why am I forgetting? The gateway to Northeast India. You already know what is the gateway to the Northeast India. Yeah, that's it, guys. Till next time, love from Africa. Peace out.